Good morning, children. In the previous English class, we have seen how to write informal letter. Now, in this video, we will learn about how to write a formal letter. So, first of all, just learn the spelling of formal, all of you. F-O-R-M-A-L, formal letter. As you all know, we write formal letters or such kind of application for official purpose, like for higher authorities, for to communicate with principal ma'am, teachers, newspaper editors. So we use generally formal letter for them. Now children, there is a format in which you go politely to write your content. So few things are there that you have to keep in your mind how to write the formal letter. I'll explain you one by one. So for the formal letter, you have to begin writing the letter. So here I'm going to take an example. Suppose you want to write. Now the question in front of you is, write an application to the principal asking for 3 days sick leave. So because you are sick, that is why you are asking 3 days leave. That application you have to write to the principal ma'am. Okay, let's begin writing the formal letter. For this, children, you have to write. I will begin writing with the sender's address, that is C 331, comma, Santkunj, apartment, then you can write the name of the city, after that you can put the date, on which date you are writing. Suppose you are writing on 20th September, then you just put the date. And then the year. You will come down and to whom you are addressing, you have to write that. The principal. So begin writing the principal. Name of your school. The name of your school is Army, then public, P capital, school, New Cant, C capital, and it is located here in Prayagraj. Then children, you will put the subject. For what is your purpose of writing? The purpose is subject, then you have to put semicolon here. Just go back to the question and read it. Write an application to the principal asking for 3 days sick leave. So application for sick leave, that is your subject. For sick leave. Then children, you will come down and then you will write respected madam. That is called as salutation part. Respected Madam, M-A-D-A-M. You will not write the name of the principal. That is big no. You will come down and write down the body part, what you want to state, what you want to say. Okay? Begin. I beg to say, I want to say, that I am a student of class 5A. I have, now you have to mention the reason, been suffering from fever since yesterday. Now you have to mention also that your doctor has advised to take rest. So you will write, my doctor has advised me to take rest for 3 days. So I am unable, which means not able, to attend the school. Next, children, you have to request the principal, okay? Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. That we have already mentioned. Now you will mention the date. Kindly grant me leave from September 2021 to 22/9/2021. Then write down, I shall be highly obliged to you. Now children, you have to write subscription part. You have to write the subscription part. Okay, yours obediently. Then you will write your name. Okay, I'm writing the name, Yag Sharma. Then you have to write your class and section also. Class 5A. Okay. In this way you have done your formal letter and you have written the application to the principal for 3 days sick leave. So keep on practicing for more. You may use any example given to you on page number 122 of your English grammar book. Suppose if you want to write an application to your principal for changing your section, now on the basis of this format you can write.